Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Brooks number SSPV6H. This is a custom Hydrotest 6-year maintenance label. Well, this is a blank 6-year Hydrotest maintenance label is what it is. Okay, this is priced and sold per 1,000 labels. This is what 1,000 labels looks like. This weighs 1.94 pound. Okay, give you an idea of the size of the label itself. About 3.5 inches wide. Not about, it's 3.5 inches wide. Overall height of that label is going to be about 2 1/8. Okay, 2 1/8 inch in the overall height. And is going to have, of course, your years along the left side of the decal here. You know, the years that are on there, generally what happens is, you know, about the first quarter of the year is when they'll start to exhaust the prior year information. So orders that are placed, you know, in the first quarter of a new year, we'll ask the client, if they have the prior year, we will ask for permission to send that, you know, because of the fact that it's got such a long life on the label itself. And then, of course, the PSI it's tested to and the month in which it's tested. That's it. Priced and sold per 1,000 labels. Okay. If you have any questions on the Brooks SSPV6H maintenance label, standard Hydrotest, or any other Brooks product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.